This is a binary adding machine. We're just going to show you how this works. We have a set of numbers at the top, which is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And we have the same numbers down at the bottom. And then right at the bottom we have a container which collects the old marbles. Now it works on a rocker system. Each one of these little things in there is a rocker. It's quite fascinating. Alright, we'll just get some marbles here and we'll show you how it works. So now if we add number 1, number 2, 4, 8, 16, which if you add all those up will make 31. And as you can see, all the marbles are sitting there. Now if we add another one to it, which will make 32. So we push that to 32. Then when we push our total number here, we have 32. Okay. So now if we add number 1, number 2, that should give us 3, which is there. 1 and 2, 3. We add another one to it, it'll give us number 4. Now if we added another 4 to that, that should give us number 8. Okay. Again, we push our total. Now when we push our total one, all these things here reset, which again gives us number 8. Bit confusing, but fun.